Hi, boys and girls. We have a pretty simple math problem today. So we're going to mostly be using mental math. So on the left-hand side, we're going to do these ones first, and then we'll go to the right-hand side. So if I start with 16 and I subtract 10, I just go to the number that comes before, which is 6. So we're thinking unfriendly tens. When we count by unfriendly tens, you're just writing the number that you see before. So if I start with 23 and minus 10, what would the answer be? 13, very good. 22 minus 10 would be what? 12, very good. 28 minus 10 would be what? 18. Good. 18 minus 10, what would be the number before 18 if we're counting by tens? 8, good. And the last one is 17 minus 10. So the number, if we're counting by unfriendly tens before 17, is 7. So now we have to think the other way. So if I know that my ending number is 14, that means I said 24 at the beginning. So if my ending number is 24, what's the opposite of 10 less? Is 10 more. So what's 10 more than 24? It's 34. Good. So if my ending number is 27, what is 10 more than 27? 37. Okay. If my ending number is 30, what is my beginning number? It's 40. Good. So we have 2 more. If my ending number is 25, what is my beginning number? 35. Very good. And if 21 is my ending number, what is my beginning number? 31. Very good. Back side, we have some subtraction problems, and there's a number line down here at the bottom that you can use. So 15 minus 6. I start on 15, I hop back 6. What's my answer? 9. Good. 13 minus 5. What's my answer? 8. Very good. So finish this side and then show your teacher that you're finished.